Hello class 10. Nowadays we are doing chapter string manipulation in Java. It is also known as string handling in Java. In this we are doing some programs that are related to replace the character with another new character. Now I will explain some programs that is based on we will change the string. Suppose we have taken complete name and we will print that name with initial with surname. Suppose I am taking a one name that is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, and that I have input and I want output that it will come in m.k. Gandhi. This type of program we will do today, and I will explain you some more programs. As you know that in our exam 23 marks string will come. So you will prepare this seriously and try to understand this. Earlier we have done the string program in char type, replace, ASCII codes. Now we are doing program. Write a program to accept a string and change the case of each letter of the string. Display the new string. Suppose this is the input, welcome to school. Which character are in capital letter, they will change in small letter, and which are in small letter they will change in capital letter. This is the program. A program to convert the case of string. First you will write the message because we are converting the case, so that we will write the convert the case of string. After that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 line are same, which I earlier told you that 6 line will be same. In string program 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 line will be same in each and every string program. Only changes are there. Only changes are there according to the program. 6 line we will write. This is class name. This is string argument, and this is the input statement. Now this is int I for loop, which we will use in each and every program, so that I we will take L for length. In each and every program we will take the length. This is the length. How many characters are there? This is the length of the string. So that length also in coming in string program. So this line also will same L. Now string str. First string str we will take, which is the input string. So that string str, in this program we are changing the case, so that new string will also come. str1. We don't know about that string, so that we will write it blank, because we don't know which string will come. Then char chr. Char chr, character. Character chr. First is character, and this is the converting character. After converting the character, so that it will become chr1. First we will enter your string, then we will write the data type of all the string. In each and every program we will enter, then we will write the data type of the string. Then in each and every program we will find the length. L is equal to this string length we are finding, so that we are writing str dot length. This is the function, length function. After that we will write the for loop, because we are finding these, so that we are using for loop for this string. So for I will be starting from 0, and I will go through the L length. How many letters are here? That L length and I plus plus. First character 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It will take this type of characters from the string. Then curly bracket star. Now this is char. Character will find from the str char at I. I is used to finding that character, and that character will store in this char. Now we will put the condition, because we are first we will compare the string into small letters, lowercase, so that we are writing if char Char means character is greater than and equal to small a, or this is and char less than and equal to small z, because we are finding the character from lowercase a to z, so that we are writing starting from a till z. Then curly bracket. Now char 1, this is new string, this is the character we are finding from there, but when character will change, then it will become chr1, char to uppercase, because these are lowercase, so that it will change into 2 uppercase. Now chr will change into uppercase. Which letter write in small letter, they will come in uppercase. Then str1, this is the new string. Str1 is equal to str1, this is blank, we don't know about this string, so that str1 plus chr1, first character E will become capital E, L will become L, so that chr1, they are finding character from here, so that they will store in str1. Now this is curly bracket close for this condition. Then else if. Now we will compare with capital letter, capital uppercase, so that if chr greater than and equal to capital A and chr less than and equal to capital Z. Now we will compare the character with capital characters A to Z. Now same way, curly bracket starts chr1. Now capital letter changes into lowercase, yani uppercase will convert into lowercase, so that character to lowercase chr. In chr taking, suppose this is capital W, then it will become small w. Now str1 plus chr1, same condition we will follow here. Then this bracket will close here. Else. Now capital letter changes into small letter, and small letter changes into capital letter, so that next string str, this is keep small str1 is equal to str1 plus chr, if any characters are representing here, so that it will store here. No, this is not, this is only capital and small character are here, so that it will close here. Now we will print system out println the new string after converting the case of each alphabet. Then system out println, that is str1, so that str1 will display on the screen. This program we will do in BlueJ screen. Both the program I will do, so that the second program is this, first this, and after this program we will do this on BlueJ screen. First I will explain both the programs, so that you will write both the programs in your notebook. After that you will practice for that program on BlueJ. If you have computer, you will install BlueJ in your computer system. Write a program to accept a name. This is the name Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, and display the initial along with the surname. This Gandhi is the surname, so that initial is M and K. Leave it all these things. So only M and K we will take, then surname will take. M dot K dot then Gandhi. This is the input and this will be the output. Now initial along with the surname. This is the program. So first we will write that to enter a full name and to print initial with surname. 6. I told you that 1, 2, 3, 4 only class name will change surname. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 line are same. 7 I also told you that I for loop and L for length we will take. Now string S we are taking string ST, sorry ST we are taking ST. I have written as no, this is ST. ST SN surname, this is for surname, and ST1 we don't know about ST1, blank. ST2 we don't know about ST2, so this is also blank. ST, ST1 and ST2. 3 strings are here. Only changes are here only. Now char CHR. In first program I have taken CHR and CHR1 because CHR1 changing the character. So in this program we are not changing the character, so that only one character we are taking, char CHR. Now system out println, enter the full name. Enter the full name. We have entered the full name. Then we will write that data type of that string. st is equal to in dot next line. This is accept full name string. I am writing here to understand this, so that I am writing accept full name. Then st is equal to blank, character blank plus st. Means if we are taking m, so that m will here, then plus st, rest of the string will come here. Then we will find the length. L is equal to st dot last index of. Last index of we are doing here, so that we will find the length of till d. Then obtain last blank of position. Then sn, surname, is equal to st dot substring l, length. Which characters are there, that will be the length. So that st substring we will find, extract the surname. Now we will extract taking the surname Gandhi from this string. Now for I started from 0 and I till L I plus plus. Extract initial from each word. If suppose we are taking Mohandas M, we are taking Karamchand K, we are taking Gandhi, we have stored in SN, so that this will complete, because this is surname and we have taken here. Extract the surname. We have taken till L, we have taken Gandhi here, store here, so that extract from each word we are taking from this. Then char, chr, st dot char at I, we are finding the character from I. If char equal blank, then st1 is equal to st1 plus st dot char at I plus 1, because first m stored here, then plus 1, they are char a I plus 1, o, h, a, and d, they are taking here, plus dot. Now all will store here, only m will come here, then dot will be here. After that this will close here. Then this is str2, then st1 plus sn, this is the st1, this is st2, st2 is the new string. Concat initial and surname, this concat function are using. In st1 m dot k is here, in st1 store m dot k dot, then plus sn. In sn we have stored Gandhi, so that m dot k dot plus sn, surname Gandhi, it will become st2, new string will become st2. Now system out println initial with surname, so that st2 will be display over here. Now we have closed 2 times bracket over in this program. Now we will practice this program, and I will also explain you this program on BlueJ screen, how result will come and what is the output will come after writing this program. First program we have done convert case, so that first I am explaining convert case here. I have written all coding in this program, so first I will see you open editor. Program name is convert case, and complete program I have written, which we have written in our notebook. That complete coding we will write here. After that class, save this program, then compile. If we are compiling, class compile, no syntax error. If any error is here, then here we will write, suppose I have missed this, I am not writing this. When class save, compile, then error found in class, and this red sign indicate that one error in this line is here and error 1 is here, so that I will check. I have not written semicolon, terminator is not written here, I will write terminator here. Then again I will save, then compile, class compile, no syntax error is here, this is saved, means we have saved our program. Now close this, then come here. Now this is convert case, right click, void main string you will open here. Okay, here you will type your string. Suppose I am changing the string, so that I am writing here welcome, W well, capital letter, C I am writing in capital letter, then India I am writing in capital letter. I will write in small letter N D, then I A. N D only I am writing in capital letter. Then enter. We will write here. Then enter. Now enter your string welcome India. I have writing here, this string I have entered. The new string after converting the case. W will come in small. EL come in capital letter, C come in small letter, OME come in capital letter. Means upper case will change in lower case and lower case will change in upper case in this. Now option clear, then close this. Now next program surname MK Gandhi. This program open editor. I have written all the coding here. Complete program I have written here. Now class save. Then compile. No syntax error is here. If I will change any other, suppose I have missed this bracket I have missed, and then I will save, then compile. It will show that red means one error is here and it will write error 1. Then I will check where is the error. So I will find that I have not closed 2 times bracket, because I have opened 2 times bracket here but I have not closed. So that I will close this, then save, then compile. Class compile, no syntax error. No syntax error is there. Then close this program. Void main string we will write. Okay. Here I am writing the string. Suppose I am writing, which I have written in question, Mohan Das, Karam, Karam, Chand, Chand, Gandhi, Gandhi, Gandhi. Enter. Mohan Das Karamchand Gandhi. Now first initial M, second K, and this is the surname. Suppose I am typing another string over here. Clear, and close this. Suppose again I am typing another string. Suppose I am typing any other name. I am writing Narendra Modi, Narendra, Narendra Modi. String, then only N, because Narendra is here, this is surname, so that N dot Modi will come here. If I am writing, again I am writing next string. Clear, close. Again I am writing another input where 3 names are here. Suppose I am writing Jawaharlal Nehru, JAWHAR, Jawahar, LAL, Lal, NEHRU, Jawaharlal Nehru. I am writing another name also here, Moti Lal, MOTI. I am writing MOTI, Moti Lal Jawaharlal Nehru. I am writing here and enter. So that Motilal Jawaharlal Nehru. Then initial M, J, this L, and Nehru is the surname. Hope you all understood these programs. Now you will practice. In my upcoming class, I will explain more programs. If you have any problem, you will write mail to me and I will try to solve your problem. So you all understood string handling in Java. We will do some more programs. You will do practice for these programs and writing the programs in your notebook. Hope you will do your program on time and you will submit me on time. Thank you.